Zulu. Wind 030 at 06. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear.
Okay.
1467 is climbing through 16 for flight level 190.
Let's go on to Lake Tahoe's frequency.
2923, thanks for the help on the descent there. Descend by the remainder of the climber 3 route. We'll land into the north and contact NorCal approach 125.4, 25.4.
All right, Delta 29.
22.85.
Okay. Now, if the winds are favoring 3-6, 6 knots. But I would opt for the tailwind, landing with the tailwind, just to be able to not have to negotiate this terrain with the winds being what they are. I don't know what kind of wind shear we get. So as we come into this opening,
shoreline, Lake 7,777.75 inbound on shoreline. So.
I heard that, but anyway, yeah, we'll aim for the lake now. You can go ahead and just kind of maneuver in. We'll take
Is that the runway down there?
I can't see it. Yeah, that's it.
Tahoe traffic, white sky lane is 9,500. Over the lake, 9,500. We'll be departing the area over at Summit.
All right.
Tahoe traffic, Skymaster 1 Zulu Kilo 8,500, flying to North Lake Tahoe and Squaw Valley departed the area, Tahoe.
I'm not sure where they're calling from, but...
All right, so just to make sure, that's the airport right
That's the airport, right.
Okay.
And it's left traffic for 18. I would say... Here come those bumps that we expected. It'd be a lot worse if we were lower. That's why it's good to be up here.
We're going to go that way.
That's right. Yeah, well,
right.
I would just say hi until we get out closer over the lake, and then we'll come straight in.
Okay, and this field elevation is 71.6.
Tower traffic, helicopter 4, Delta Quebec shoreline, to 7,400, sending up a right downwind for Alpha parallel 36 over the Upper Truckee River, low level, Tahoe.
He says he's making right traffic for 3-6, a helicopter. Well, maybe, I don't know. I'll tell you what, let's do that then. Okay, let's go right traffic 3-6, since I don't want to, we're in contrary. So we'll just kind of go on the west side of the airport, and we'll kind of maneuver over for right downwind.
So you want me to continue on that side?
Yeah, we'll just go on this side, and then we'll swing over across and into a downwind this way, right downwind.
All right, how do we get down? Like, when are we going to start to
You can start down now. Let's go disconnect autopilot.
go down? You want me to hand fly it down?
Yeah, hand fly it.
Down to what altitude?
7,500. Just tell Tahoe traffic we're about 5 miles to the south. 11,500 descending to enter right downwind for 3-6.
Tahoe traffic, Cessna 182 Tango Golf, 11,500, descending down to 7,500, entering right traffic for 3-6, Tahoe traffic.
Tower traffic, helicopter 4, Delta Quebec, just north of the field over the meadows, crossing the extended runway line 36, setting up for a right downwind for Alpha parallel 36 over the Upper Truckee River, low level, Tahoe.
All right, the meadows is that barren area right next to the lake. When they refer to the meadows, right, you can bring the power back down. As we descend in this plane, your rule of thumb is 2 inches of manifold pressure every 2 minutes, no more than that. You don't cut and chop the power dramatically, because that...
Tahoe traffic,
and watch your rate of descent here.
Is about 3 to the west, 10,000 feet, 1,000 feet, departing the area through Echo Summit.
He's right around us. There he is right there, yeah.
Tower traffic, helicopter 4, Delta Quebec, crossing midfield, east to west for Alpha parallel 36, Tahoe.
All right, we're going to end up over the lake then.
Yeah, more or less. As we descend, we need to richen up the mixture.
All
we won't do it completely like we would at sea level. It'll still be leaned. There's that helicopter, okay. All right, keep your airspeed in the green though. All right, especially when it's bumpy, you don't want to be in the yellow. This airplane, we can lower 10 degrees of flaps underneath 140, so you could actually go ahead and do that. That'll help us slow down and get down. All right, good. Now we're down to what, 9,000? So we just have a couple of thousand left.
Really wants to pop back up.
Yeah, it's because of the flaps. Maybe getting some, I don't know. You know, with the wind conditions, there may be getting some updrafts too.
Tahoe traffic, white skyline, 1,000 feet over Sierra at Tahoe, departing the area southwest, last call, Tahoe traffic.
Alright, looking back. Let's go ahead and turn to the right, continue your descent. Yeah, so everything's good. Watching temperatures. All right, good.
Just go circle around to this run.
Yeah, you could. You could tell Tahoe traffic. We're at the shoreline 9,000. We'll be entering a right downwind 36.
Tahoe traffic, Cessna 192 Tango Golf at the shoreline at 9,000, entering right downwind to 36. Tahoe traffic. So 36 coming this way, so we're going to go right downwind and come back this way.
Right. That will start to slow down yet further. All right, bring it back a couple inches. Oh yeah, it's going to be interesting. No wind at the surface, you know, to speak of, but plenty up here.
$7,000 is the pattern altitude.
Oh yeah, 7,300 actually.
Tahoe traffic, Cessna 192 Tango Golf in the right downwind to 36. Tahoe traffic.
Tahoe traffic, CHP look up to 20, about 5 miles to the east, dropping down off the top of Heavenly, heading towards the casino.
All right, and raise your nose, get down below 120, and then we'll put in the next notch of flaps. Next notch comes in at 120, and we'll wait till final till when we get the full flaps in. All right, now your speeds are, you know, just like a 172 here, just 85 knots, 95 knots on downwind right now.
Widen out a little bit.
Okay. It's important not to get too slow. Add some power, keep the speed up, because if the winds do something weird, I'd be ready.
Far out do I go here?
Well, at least past the runway here.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. It's usually better to come in 1.8, but that's not too bad here. I'd keep going that way. I wouldn't get too close to the runway yet. All right, now you can start to reduce power a little bit. Start your down, okay. We'll be turning right base for 36.
Tahoe traffic, Cessna 182 Tango Golf, turning right base for 36, Tahoe traffic.
Okay, and you can reduce power a little bit more. Just make sure, keep the pitch down. All right, I guess go full flaps. We're going to lose some altitude. A big displaced threshold here. Those arrows mean you can't land there. All right, so.
All right, Tahoe traffic, Cessna 182 Tango Golf, turning final for 36.
You want to get down to about 70 knots, so we got to bring the power back and slow down. All right. The thing about this plane, it will lose altitude very quickly if you bring the power back. Yep.
Really pulling back.
Huh?
Really pulling back.
Well, I know.
This is displacement threshold here.
That's right. So you have to land at the numbers first. Right. Okay, you're good. You're good. Just a long runway here, so just be rush. Oh, wow! That was a nice landing. All right, we'll get off on the next one, then off to the left, whatever. Could have made that one, but that's okay. We'll get off the next one.